Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our grammar topic, that is conjunctions. Before we go ahead with the kinds of the conjunctions, let us understand the meaning. The words which join two sentences or phrases are called conjunctions. वो words जो हम दो phrases को, दो sentences को, any two nouns, any two pronouns, which are used to join two words are called conjunctions. Example is in front of you. Choose a watch or a clock. Now, a clock and a watch are phrases. So these two phrases are joined with the word or. So or is a conjunction. Next is neither John nor Sam came in. Now, John and Sam are proper nouns. These two words are joined with neither and nor. So neither nor is also a conjunction. Next, we have three types of conjunctions. Broadly, we divide them in three types: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Let us understand the definition and the types further. Coordinating conjunctions: a conjunction which joins two sentences that are independent, of equal rank, or of equal importance. It means the two sentences which are independent, they make their sense independently, they are complete, they have their subject, they have their verb, they have their object of own. Those sentences are called independent sentences, or the sentences which have equal rank, means again subject verb object, they have their own. Or in a sentence, those sentences which are joined with the conjunctions, they are all of equal importance, and these sentences are joined with help of words and but. So these words which join such kind of sentences are called coordinating conjunctions. Second type is subordinating conjunctions. So a conjunction which joins two statements, one of which is dependent on other, that is subordinating. For example, before and till. Next is correlative. The words that are used to denote the correlation between the things and facts are called correlative conjunctions. For example, neither nor, both and. So broadly you have read these definitions, but independently we'll be studying all these types of conjunctions. First is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are the words, as we have already read, which join the two sentences that are independent, of equal rank, or equal importance. Example is in front of you. And अब and के साथ हमने जो sentences join किए हैं, trust in God and do the right. Now trust in God makes it sense, do the right makes complete sense. अब ये दोनों sentences जो अपनी sense complete बनाते हैं, उनको हमने join किया है word and के साथ. So this and is a conjunction which is used to join two independent sentences. So it is a coordinating conjunction. Again, a second example is she came to me and spoke against him. She came to me making complete sense. She spoke against him again. It is a complete sense. And these two sentences, independent sentences, are joined with and. She is beautiful and intelligent. Now, beautiful and intelligent are adjectives. These two adjectives are joined with and. So, the words which are used to join two independent sentences, phrases, nouns, pronouns, or any two words are called coordinating conjunctions. Next is otherwise or else. First word we have read and. This is another conjunction, coordinating conjunction, otherwise or else. Perform well, else you will not win. You ask her to come, otherwise I will go back. दोनों sentences independent है, sense बनाते हैं. You need to buy a new washing machine, else clothes won't be washed. Clothes won't be independent, and we need to buy a new washing machine makes complete sense. Next is but, conjunction but. He tried hard but did not win. She was successful but not happy. She came to convince her but could not do so. So this is another example of coordinating conjunctions. So is another example of coordinating conjunctions. The sentences are written in front of you. So बताता है consequences को, results को. He did not work hard, so he failed. अब so जो यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है, that is reason. क्या कारण था, consequence क्या था उसका, जो उसने action नहीं लिया उसका consequence क्या था, result क्या था. So this is an acronym for coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys. Fanboys हम एक acronym है. Acronym means the every word has some, I mean, full form, right? Fanboys में F stands for, A stands for and, N for nor, but, or, yet, so. So every first alphabet has a word जो coordinating conjunction की तरह use होता है. Next we come to subordinating conjunctions. Next type is subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction which joins two statements, one of which is dependent on another. जिसमें एक जो सेंटेंस है वो अपनी सेंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए दूसरे सेंटेंस पे डिपेंड करता है, उसको हम कहते हैं उन वर्ड्स को हम कहते हैं जो उन दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं subordinating conjunctions. For example, before and till. अब subordinating conjunctions जो है बेटा वो फर्दर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में हम डिवाइड कर देते हैं, और वो डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज क्या हैं, टाइम, एक्सटेंट और मैनर, देन कॉज एंड रीजन, पर्पस, ब्रॉड मेनली आई एम टेलिंग यू, रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंस, कंडीशन, and contrast and comparison. So let us have a look at all these types of conjunctions. अगर time की बात करें तो time के लिए जो conjunctions use होते हैं, they are before, after, while. All these three words are subordinating conjunctions which are under category time. I would die before I lied. I returned home after he had come. I make hay while the sun shines. तो ये जो सारे words हैं ये subordinating conjunctions हैं. I returned home is making complete sense. After he had come, अगर आप सिर्फ ये देखो after he had come, this is not making complete sense. इसकी sense complete करने के लिए it has to depend upon some other sentence. और when one point which you need to keep in mind is that subordinating conjunctions, these words always come before the dependent clause. जो sentence dependent होता है उसके आगे use होती हैं subordinating conjunctions. Next type is extent or manner. किस extent तक, how, manner is how, as you know. Men will reap as they sow. जैसा इंसान वैसा ही काटेगा जैसा वो बोएगा. Means whatever the action he performs, the result would be according to his actions. So as this word as is used as subordinating conjunction under category manner. Next is according as, again manner है ये. Cause and reason. So the words as, because, since, these words are used to tell about any cause or reason. She went there since her mother desired. This is the reason. क्योंकि उसकी mother चाहती थी इसलिए वो वहां गया. I go there because she wants. कारण बता दिया, reason है ये. Next is purpose. Purpose means क्या आपका काम करने का क्या purpose है. Talk sensibly lest you will be scolded. He works hard that he may pass. What is the reason? What is the purpose of his working hard? कि वो pass हो जाए. We eat that we may live. क्या purpose है हमारा खाने का? ताकि हम जिंदा रहें. Next is result and consequence. She wept so much that she fell ill. This was the result, that she fell ill. This was the result. अब अगर मैं सिर्फ इसको बोलूं that she fell ill, क्या ये complete sense बनाएगा? No, this does not make a complete sense. इसको complete sense बनाने के लिए इस sentence के ऊपर dependent होना ही पड़ेगा. Next is condition. तो कंडीशन में हम कौन कौन से वर्ड्स को कंसिडर करते हैं subordinating conjunctions में? If provided, second sentence देखिए बेटा, I agree to these terms provided you agree to mine. Provided word जो है again it is a condition. मैं ऐसा करूंगा अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे. So provided is also a subordinating conjunction जो कि conditions के अंदर consider किया जाता है. He ran fast as if. अब इसमें जो conjunction है that is as if मतलब manner, सॉरी कंडीशन है. नेक्स्ट, कंट्रास्ट. इट इज ऑल्दो ही इज पुअर ही इज ऑनेस्ट. कंट्रास्ट कर दिया, चाहे वो गरीब है पर फिर भी ईमानदार है. ही इज नॉट कंटेंटेड दो ही इज रिच. चाहे वो अमीर है पर वो कंटेंटेड मीन्स संतुष्ट, सेटिस्फाइड. ही इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. सो ये जो सारी चीजें हैं, ये जो सारे वर्ड्स हैं, ऑल्दो, दो, हाउ एवर, दे आर अंडर कैटेगरी कॉन्ट्रास्ट, जिसमें हम दो कंडीशंस का, दो सिचुएशंस का कॉन्ट्रास्ट होता है. देन इज कंपैरिजन. ही इज एज इंटेलिजेंट एज यू. कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. आई लाइक हर एज मच एज यू. अगेन ये जो सारे वर्ड्स हैं, एज मच एज, देन, दीज कम अंडर कैटेगरी कंपैरिजन. subordinating conjunctions हैं जो कंपैरिजन कैटेगरी के अंडर आते हैं. So some commonly used subordinating conjunctions. आप बहुत बार everyday life में use many of these conjunctions very frequently, like although, after, because, before, unless, until, till, so that, though. बहुत सारे conjunctions हैं which you use every day in your writing or in your speaking. Next, third type is correlative conjunctions. Correlative, as the name itself suggests, conjunctions that are used to denote correlation between the things and facts are called correlative conjunctions. दो चीजों के बीच में रिलेशन को जो डेवलप करता है, रिलेशन को बताता है, वो वर्ड्स को हम correlative conjunctions कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नीदर, नॉर, बोथ, एंड. और जो कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन पेयर्स. हमेशा इनको पेयर्स में यूज करते हैं. नो सूनर देन. एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने है. नो सूनर हैड आई स्टेप्ड आउट देन इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. मतलब जैसे ही मैंने बाहर कदम रखा, बारिश शुरू हो गई. अब रिलेशन किस में है? माई स्टेपिंग आउट एंड स्टार्टिंग ऑफ रेन. तो इन दोनों चीजों में, फैक्ट्स में रिलेशन कैसे शो हुआ? नो सूनर देन से. अब ये कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन है. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. ही इज नॉट ओनली पनिश्ड बट ऑल्सो फायर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑफिस. ऑफिस से उसे निकाल दिया गया. रमेश नॉट ओनली इंसल्टेड हिम बट ऑल्सो स्लैप्ड हिम. अगेन पेयर्ड कंजंक्शन है, कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन है ये. Either or, you very frequently use either or, neither nor. These conjunctions come under correlative conjunctions. So these are commonly used correlative conjunctions: either or, so that, not only but also, both and, no sooner than, hardly or scarcely, when, as, so as. These are paired conjunctions which are correlative. Now, this is a wonderful quote. No sentence can end with because, because is a conjunction. So, it means that no sentence can end with a conjunction. क्योंकि आपको वो joining words हैं, वो join करते हैं, इसलिए your sentence can never end with a conjunction. So I hope this topic is clear to you.